The focus of the CMM workshop is trying to help maintenance managers identify the value that they provide to the organization, because maintenance is always a cost center, and it's always going to be, but you need to be able to identify how you're reducing costs and the business case that you can make and the return on investment that you're giving to the organization.
We're not just a maintenance team that turns wrenches, but we're a business. And I wanted to attend the CMM because I wanted to gain more understanding of how to truly make maintenance a business and not just a group that's turning wrenches. I want to be able to go back to the plant armored with knowledge, armored with ammunition, to be able to implement all kinds of new ideas that's going to help me increase my reliability and my throughput, also expand on some of the things that I've already done. And this CMM program, I think, is helping me be able to do a whole lot of that.